Welcome to the Aspen Home Experience, where I show you the best that Aspen has to offer. Today, we're at Aspen Valley Ranch, Aspen's only whole ownership private luxury community. Situated on 800+ acres, homeowners enjoy luxury hotel services, amenities, and activities curated by internationally renowned hotelier Stone-Chen, former managing director of Relais Chateau Resorts, the Little Nell, and Rancho Valencia. Simon and his hand-selected team of luxury hoteliers have worked in some of the finest hotels and welcome you to experience an unparalleled luxury lifestyle in the most exclusive resort community in Aspen.